All right, guys, today we're gonna be building a bird cage for the basement. So we got all our supplies here. Got some 2x4s, some OSB, and then some hardware. We also have some galvanized steel poultry wire. And we're gonna be going through this build process, and we'll show you guys show you guys spots along the way. I'm already sweaty.
Alright guys, so all that did right there was just cutting off these blue tips on the end. That way it just looks nicer. So that's what that was. Alright guys, so just an update on what we got going here. Kieran got the base built. I had to go out and get some more wood because he measured wrong. But so he did all this while I was gone. So it's looking good so far. And it's actually a lot bigger than what I expected.
Yeah, it's gonna be big.
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
Okay. All right, guys. Got a little update. We have the base and the support arms all screwed in. So now we're gonna get these top pieces on and then the cross sections on, and then we'll get back to you guys.
All right, you guys, so we got the frame all screwed together. At the top of it right now, we're just working on these beams right here. But our drill ran out of battery, so we'll just have to catch you tomorrow.
The next day.
All right, guys, so we got these last two support beams installed right here. So now we're gonna work on getting this board installed on the bottom and on this back side right here. So we'll work on that.
It's pretty loud.
All right, guys, so we got the bottom layer of the OSB board installed, all nailed in. So now we're gonna work on getting the back side of it put on. Alright guys, so we just finished getting the back right here put on with some OSB board, and then now we're going to start working on our little door right here.
A few moments later.
Alright, guys, we got the cage all in the basement and it's all complete. So now we just need to get it decorated, and I'll show you guys along the way, and then we'll give you guys a view of it when it's all done. Alright guys, we got the we got the cage all set up and decorated. So we have got a bunch of stuff for him to fly around and perch on. And we actually got the bird in here. And I'm gonna stay in here and let him out so he doesn't freak out. So we're gonna close this and let him out. There he is.
There he is.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Jeez. Where's he at? Oh, there he is. Hi, bud. Alright guys, we're all done with the build, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. We got the bird in there and he seems to like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the build process. And